Tony, do you remember the year 1999?
Of course. That was the year Lange launched the DATOGRAPH. Yeah, the original one, yeah.
And it's exactly 25 years ago.
25 years ago. Were you already at the company then? How long are you at Lange?
I started working with Lange just a few weeks after the presentation of the first DATOGRAPH.
Really? That must have been quite exciting for the team, or?
Really exciting time. How proud every colleague was about this new watch, about this design, and especially about this movement.
It's just a watchmaker's dream. It's just a watchmaker's dream. It's incredible. Look, Annegret, still member of the team, she did the movement design.
Exactly.
I remember that the DATOGRAPH was, even where I was at that time, was in everybody's mouth. It's really incredible.
And now 25 years later,
we have an anniversary model. Look at this beauty.
All the key features of the original DATOGRAPH can be found in this new model. As the outsize date, the chronograph is flyback, the downwards moved small subdials for the small second and the precisely jumping minute counter. White gold case, blue dial. Yeah, limited edition of 125 watches.
It almost looks like an orchestra of 451 parts, which work in harmony and are really decorated at the highest level. You see inner angles, of course, the hand-engraved balance clock, of course, it's a Lange Söhne. Really, really amazing. I could sit here and look for hours, not to say days.
The fantastic feedback we got from watch connoisseurs, from collectors, even from journalists, all this motivated us to develop the DATOGRAPH further. And so, in the following years, we integrated several complications, starting with 2006, the DATOGRAPH Perpetual, and then, furthermore 10 years later, the DATOGRAPH Perpetual Tourbillon.
As if that's not complicated enough. We have a second anniversary model, and that is the DATOGRAPH Perpetual Tourbillon Honeygold Lumen. So this is honeygold case, and of course it has all the features you know from the DATOGRAPH. So it has the flyback, it has the instantaneously jumping minute counter, and a perpetual calendar, which also jumps precisely. The Lumen has a glass sapphire die, semi-transparent. If you take a close look, you could recognize the very complex mechanism of the perpetual calendar. And if you look at the tourbillon, with its upper tourbillon cage bridge, black polished with all these inner angles, and of course the tourbillon is stoppable at the Lange Söhne. For us that's very logical.
This watch is the worthy highlight of our this year's anniversary collection.
The fact that it's really a complicated watch, very complicated combinations of functions. This watch is limited to 50 pieces. Let's take a look in the dark.
Fascinating. What a beautiful green shimmer to support all the different indications of this watch. Isn't it?
It's beautiful.